welcome back to the beautiful Turks and Caicos. Now it's time to target that tummy, so let's get started. Slowly roll all the way down and let's begin. Bringing both knees up, hold them up right here, and slowly just lift and lower. That's it. Target tone that stomach. Right there. The abdominals. Yes, the center, the core of your whole body. Right here. Put your hands right now on your tummy. I want it to be flat when you come up. Press it down. That's it. Like an abdominal compression. It's pressing down. Great. That's it. You got it. This is working 100% of abdominal strength. Just what we needed. Good. Come on. Lift it up and lower. 2 more, just like that. Last one. All the way up and release. Okay, bend one leg and let's go to the side. For nice sides of the waistline. For those oblique muscles. Yes, twist. That's it. Good. Exhale as you come up and flatten those abs. Twist. Wonderful. Really feel it. Twist it out. You can do it. 2 more on this side. Last one. Twist. You got it. Come up now and hold. Little baby reaches. Reach up. Reach. Come on. Get up there. You can do it. With the waistline. Trim and slim. Lose an inch. You're out in the belt. Good. Last one. Hold, 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 hold. Okay. Switch hands. Switch legs. Let's go to the other side. Here we go. Twist and down. And twist and down. Great. Keep that tummy flat. Hips flat down. Right here. That's it. And twist and release. And twist. You got it. Get up there. Come on. For those oblique muscles, we got 2 more. Last one. All right. And just relax. Elevate. Okay. Here we go. Lift and lower. Make sure you're using the lower tummy. This is the goal. Right down here. Good. That's it. Lower abs. This is the area you really need to target tone. Below the belly button. Do this exercise. I promise you, it works. This is what I did after having both babies, and it got flat again. Lift and lower. This was a while ago. But I still work on it. Okay, 2 more. Last one. Great. And all the way up now. Slowly raise up all the way up. Good. All right. Sitting up nice and tall. Let's work the sides of the waist. Lift up through the hips. Hold yourself nice and tall. Up, up, up. That's it. It's all about holding it right here now. Target tone this side. Yes. Hold your chest up. Good. You can do it. Hold it up. Wonderful. Now straighten the arm. Lift it up and take it down. And lift up. Take it down. Lift up. Work that waistline. Take it down. Lift up. 2 more. You could do it. Come on. Get it going. Last one. Hold it up there now. Hold, 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 hold. Great. Okay, out of the other side. These really work. This is the one my husband just loves to do to really slim down that waistline. Okay, first of all, you got to get yourself situated and lift up through the waistline. Hold yourself up there. Come on. Balance yourself. The balance alone is the workout, just holding yourself up. That's it. This is really good for right here. Now you're going to hold it up nice and strong. That's it. Take it down and lift back up. Good. Again, take it down and lift up. Great for the sides of the waistline. That's it. No more love handles that we don't like. 2 more. Come on, lift up. It's hard, I know, but it's very challenging. It's worth it. You only have to do a couple. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Awesome. Good work. Okay. I'm proud of you. Now bring your knees in and out, just like that. In and out. Good. This is called can-can, actually, in Pilates. But also, it's the best way to target that lower tummy and the front of the tummy. These are some of the exercises that we did to train in gymnastics, to do those kip-ups. Yes. Did you know a handstand takes a lot of core strength into your tummy? That's right, to hold yourself up. Now twist. Let's get that waistline. Come on. Get the sides of the waist. You can do it. Come on, get it going. That's it. 2 more. Last one. Okay, now just bicycle it out. That's it. Just bicycle it out. Great. Keep it up. I'll be right back. Welcome back to the beautiful sands here in Turks and Caicos. Let's begin our cool down together. Sitting up nice and tall, we're gonna lift the chest up and lift the hips up as tall as we can get them up there. Yes, that's it. This is a great stretch. Hold yourself tall. Strengthen your legs, strengthen your arms. This is a total body strengthener right here. It's a great exercise. And slowly come down. Lift up your arms, stretch them up overhead. Wonderful. And stretch to the side. Reach fingertips past the tippy toes. And lift up. Let's twist to the other side. Stretch those legs. Come on, you can do it. And slowly sit up nice and tall. And roll back, all the way back. Roll back. Bring one leg all the way up and stretch out those legs. Great. Rotate the ankle for better leg circulation. That's it. It's great for your calves. Chest comes up high. Hold that stretch. It's a great leg stretch for the hamstrings, the back of those thighs. Good. Hold yourself up there. Wonderful. And slowly bring that leg down. Control. Wonderful. Bring the other leg up and stretch it up. Relax your neck. Now rotate the ankle for great leg circulation, preventing those varicose veins. It's all about prevention, that's right. Good. Laughter is the best medicine. I want you to laugh today, okay? Okay, and slowly lift your chest up. Hold that stretch all back here. So good. Stretch it out. Wonderful. And slowly bring your legs up. Come all the way up to a V-sit if you can. Try to hold it there. Come on, you can do it. Can you balance yourself? Balance, tighten it up. That's it. Hold. You can do it. Look, no hands. Okay, and release. Wonderful. Let's stretch out the legs and the arms. Stretch up to the sides. That's it. Elongate your spine. Now open up your chest. Arch slightly back. Give it a full body stretch. Wonderful. Stretch it all the way up. Good work. Okay, to the other side. Lift up, lift over. Stretch it out. I want you to arch your back slightly. Oh, it feels so good. Great stretches. So good for your body. Loosens your body up. Gets rid of any tension, any stiffness, any fatigue. That's it. Arch it back. Good. And now slowly come down onto your tummies, and we're going to lift the chest up. We're going to strengthen the back. Since we did use our muscles of the abdominals, now it's time to do the opposing muscle groups to balance your body. Now the back. Just hold. Hold it right there. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. And release. Push yourself all the way up. That's it. Push yourself up and sit up nice and tall. Let me see that. Wonderful. Happy face. Smiling. That's it. And shift your weight to the side to stretch through the hips, through the buttocks. You're doing great. You accomplished a workout. Yes, you did. And let's go the other side. Shift the weight. That's it. Try to feel the little in the buns there. Little through the hips, the waistline. These obliques that we used right here. These are our oblique muscles. Good. And inhale. And exhale. Stretch your shoulders. Keep stretching. I'll be right back.